Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on beautiful vehicles like this. Today we're going to take a look at a 2022 Volkswagen Taos 1.5T S4 Motion. This is Volkswagen's premier crossover SUV, boasting up to 36 mile per gallon highway. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features, advantages, and benefits of owning this vehicle. Before we get started, I also wanted to mention this vehicle is all-wheel drive. That is super important here. Clean Carfax, one owner, just under right over 24,000 miles, excuse me. So low miles on this 22. Okay, so let's start up front here with your sharp styling from Volkswagen. Here you can see the nice aggressive but sporty looking contour lines, high intensity headlights here. Got your Volkswagen badging up here, chrome surrounding the front grille. Really nice wheel and tire setup, kind of a blacked out theme going on here. Okay, you do have some chrome badging throughout the vehicle, but your door handles are paint matched, just like your mirror cap. They're not high gloss, but they go with the black theme here. So very interesting interior here. You have this nice hard durable plastic here with a nice design that's going to continue throughout the front of the vehicle here. You have a nice two-tone seat design here, very comfortable, very durable as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rear. Into the rear space, while this is one of the smallest crossover SUVs Volkswagen has to offer, you can see that you still have plenty of space back here, plenty of leg room, hip, shoulder room, everything like that. Very comfortable back here. And you do have a flip down cup holder right here. Looking into the cargo area, you can see your seats do fold flat, 80-20 split right there. Plenty of cargo space. You even have your roadside assistance kit right there. Let's go ahead and lift this up and see what we get. We get a spare tire and all the accessories. Looking into the driver area, you will notice same theme here. Nice hard plastic with a nice design. Got your lock, unlock, and all your powered windows, mirror adjustments, etc. Manual adjustments on the seat. You will have your lamp selector right here. So let's go ahead and start it up. You will receive 2 keys for your added convenience here at All Things Automotive. So these are proximity keys. This one is equipped with the push button start. So we'll go ahead and start it up here. Nice graphics from Volkswagen. On the steering wheel, you will have some mounted controls as far as cruise control, volume, and then some of your Bluetooth buttons right here. You can page through your center cluster. You can display all kinds of information. A couple more selection buttons right here. So just a nice color pattern right here. Nice clean lines. Pretty straightforward infotainment center here. Nice touchscreen, backup camera. You have the availability to download some apps through Volkswagen right here. Android Auto, CarPlay, and MirrorLink. Okay. Working our way down to the climate control, you have your heated seats. The rest is pretty straightforward. Okay, nice storage down below. Looks like you have 2 micro USBs, it looks like, and you have a 12 volt back here. Okay, nice illuminated gearing on your shifter here. So we can shift that all the way down. And I should be able to put that over to the right and shift up or down depending on my driving situation. Also equipped with electronic parking brake, auto start and stop. So you can select that to be off if you'd like. You do have some different driving modes as well. Followed up by 2 cup holders. Nice deep center console there. Nice leather wrapped armrest there with your white stitching. And then I really like this addition right here from Volkswagen. You got your high gloss black in this new design on this 2022. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you have your 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, nice and clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. Like I said, this vehicle will reach upwards of 36 miles per gallon highway. So let's go ahead and do our last portion of the video. In this portion of the video, I will go over any dents, dings, or imperfections this vehicle may or may not have. While it is a 2022, it is a pre-owned vehicle. Okay, we like to make them as clean as possible. Right up front here, you will see normal wear and tear from the road. Some small blemishes as far as chipping on the grille insert. No issues there. No discoloration or anything like that on the hard plastic. The wheel liners are all good to go. No curb rash on the wheels. So everything looks good there. Do see, I think, a small blemish there on the passenger side front door. Here on the roof, no dents or dangs. The interior is very clean, guys. Okay, like brand new. Definitely No stains, no tears, no odors. Definitely was a smoker-free vehicle. Working our way back here to the lift gate. A couple blemishes here from cargo going in and out here. As you can see, it's not perfect. Everything looks good up here. Again, no curb rash on the wheels on this side. Pretty good shape here, guys. Again, no discoloration on any of the trim panels here. Even on the mirror cap, everything looks good to go. So if you have any more questions, please give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or you can go to All Things Automotive. Shop online 24/7, get yourself pre-approved. And while this vehicle does have some remainder of the factory warranty, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this vehicle does qualify. So come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road and check out this 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.